For the last 25 years, businesses have lived and died by Google search, but that era is ending. OpenAI just launched ChatGPT into an advertising powerhouse. And it's not about keywords anymore. It's about conversations. This shift is creating opportunity bigger than anything we've seen since Google Ads first launched. And the few who are understanding it is about to gain an almost unfair advantage. Your Google ads are getting more expensive and less effective every year as competition skyrockets. You're tired of fighting for rankings on a crowded search page only to get clicks that don't convert. And you feel like you're failing behind the AI curve, unsure how to use new tools to actually drive revenue. Today, I'm going to explain why the age of keyword search is completely over and how ChatGPT's new answer-based advertising model works for you. I'll break down 4 fundamental shifts this creates for businesses and show you the exact tangible opportunity that is wide open right now for anyone willing to see it. Imagine getting in on the ground floor of a new ad platform with 23 times the conversion potential of search. Picture yourself becoming the go-to expert in a new in-demand skill set before your competition even knows it exists. Envision a future where customers come to you through natural AI-powered conversations, not just cold clicks. The 4th shift I'm going to reveal is something almost no one is talking about. It's a completely new way to interact with ads that has never existed before. Stick around because understanding this alone will put you years ahead of your competition. The entire digital marketing world was built on a simple premise: people type keywords into a search box. Businesses then bid on those keywords to show up on a list of blue links. This model, created by Google in the year 2000, has dominated for 2 decades. But the model is now saturated. It has led to hyper competition where ad costs are unsustainable for small businesses. It has created a user experience where people have to sift endlessly through low quality search results to find a simple answer. And it forced businesses to focus on gaming an algorithm instead of genuinely helping the customer. It's broken, it's frustrating, and everyone involved feels the same exact way. I built my entire business on the back of search engine and traditional digital advertising. But over the last few years, I've seen the returns start to diminish day by day. It felt like I was shouting into a crowded room, paying more and more just to be heard. I knew there had to be a better way, a fundamental shift on how we connect with customers online. That's when I started paying very close attention of conversational AI. By understanding the shift from a link-based economy to an answer-based economy, you can actually position yourself at the forefront of the most significant change in digital marketing in the past 25 years. This isn't just a new ad platform we're talking about. It's a new way of connecting with customers who are already deep in conversation about their exact needs. This new model allows you to reach over 800 million users, not based on keywords they type, but on the problems they're actively trying to resolve. The AI understands their goals, their budget, and their preferences. This allows you to present a solution at the perfect moment of intent, with conversion potentials reportedly at 23 times higher than traditional search. Imagine a world where you no longer have to fight for a spot on a crowded search page. Instead, your business appears as a helpful, relevant solution inside a trusted AI conversation. You'll be moving from an environment of high cost and low intent to low cost and hyper relevant, high intent customers. I know what you might be thinking. It just sounds like another fad. Won't it just fizzle out and go away? This isn't a small startup experiment. This is OpenAI, one of the most capitalized companies in the entire world, with a user base nearly 3 times the population of the entire United States. They are projecting approximately $1 billion in ad revenue by 2026. This is the same pattern we saw with Google and Facebook. The fad became the foundation of the modern internet. The real risk isn't that it fizzles out. The risk is being left behind when it becomes the new standard. Well, maybe you're thinking, I'm not an AI expert. This is way too technical for me. The key is here, you don't need to be a coder. The opportunity isn't in building AI, but in learning how to use it. The first people who learned to run Facebook ads weren't developers. They were marketers who saw an opportunity. The new system is based on semantic intent, which is just about understanding what a person wants. If you understand your customers, you have the core skills needed to succeed here. Or perhaps you're thinking, okay, but isn't it better to wait and see how this actually develops first? Every major platform shift has been a window of opportunity. The early adopters get massive advantage, lower costs, less competition, and the ability to shape how the platform evolves. The people who learned Facebook ads 2012 built empires. The ones who waited until 2018 are paying 10 times as much for the same customer. Waiting isn't the proper move here. It's the expensive move. I remember the early days of Facebook ads. Most established marketers dismissed them. They weren't comfortable with Google and didn't want to learn a new system. I saw a few forward-thinking entrepreneurs jump in, and within a couple of years, they were the new leaders in the space. They built agencies, e-commerce brands, and entire careers off being early adopters. I promised myself I would never be on the wrong side ever again. A shift like this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So when OpenAI announced ads in ChatGPT, it was a massive light bulb moment for me. I realized this wasn't just another feature. It was the beginning of the same exact cycle we've seen before, but potentially even bigger. The user isn't just searching, they're in a dialogue revealing their deepest needs, advertising in a context that's completely game-changing. My entire focus has shifted to understanding this new answer-based economy. I'm not abandoning what works, but I am aggressively preparing for what's next. Because the fundamental truth of this internet is that attention shifts, and the businesses that shift with it are the ones that thrive. The ones that don't become relics of a past era. Let me walk you through the 4 fundamental shifts this creates. 1. The shift from keywords to conversations. For 2 decades, we've been obsessed with keywords, but people don't think in keywords, they think in problems. ChatGPT ads use semantic intent matching. The AI analyzes entire conversations to understand what the user actually wants. If someone is asking for advice on a startup business, the AI understands their fears, their budget, and their goals. The AI shows it isn't based on a single keyword. It's based on the deep contextual understanding of the person's needs. Number 2, we're moving from a list of links to a single trusted answer. Google gives you a page of 10 or 12 blue links and says, you figure it out. It's a research project. ChatGPT gives you a single synthesized answer. It's a solution. Ads appearing within that context carry an implied endorsement from the AI. This moves your business from being one of the many options to being the recommended solution, which is incredibly powerful position to be in. Number 3, the shift from passive clicks to active engagement. This is really where it gets interesting. When you see an ad on Google, you can only do one thing, click it. With ChatGPT ads, you can ask additional AI questions about that ad. Then you could say, is this product right for someone within my budget? Or does this service work for a business in my industry? This turns a passive ad into an interactive sales consultation guided by trusted AI assistants. All right, quick pro tip here. Managing these new conversational leads require a totally different approach. You need a system that can handle AI-driven interactions and nurture them effectively. Platforms like HighLevel are built for this, allowing you to integrate AI conversations directly into your marketing workflows. They actually offer an extended 30-day trial that lets you test your entire automation suite, which is perfect for preparing for this new wave of conversational marketing. The link is in the description below if you would like to see how it works. Number 4, this is a big one. This is the 4th shift, the birth of the answer-based economy. This is huge. We got to really pay attention. We're moving away from an economy built on finding links to one that is built on getting answers. The best value is no longer having the best SEO on their website, but in being the best solution to the business. Businesses that learn how to integrate themselves with this new answer-based ecosystem will become the new category leaders. This fundamental restructuring of how information and commerce are connected on the internet. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, has repeatedly stated that we're at the iPhone moment of AI, where the technology is becoming accessible and user-friendly, leading to an explosion of new applications and industries. ChatGPT ads are a perfect example of this. The complex AI is the engine, but the ad platform is the user-friendly application. This will bring the power to millions of businesses. Just as the iPhone created the app economy, conversational AI is creating the answer economy. The underlying technology is powerful, but the opportunity for most people is in building on top of it. If you're seeing the shift and want to position yourself and your business for the future, I've arranged something super special for you. Through my link below, you can get an extended 30-day trial of HighLevel. Normally it's 14 days, but I wanted you to have enough time to really explore how to build these new conversational systems. What makes this so valuable is really the bonus package. You get access to our coaching to guide you, our discovery call to map out your strategy, over $32,000 in access, pre-built AI-powered website templates, marketing snapshots, even custom GPTs designed for your business growth. This is everything you need to get ahead of the curve. When I first started an online business, I used to piece everything together with duct tape and hope. Having a single platform that can handle your website, your marketing, and your new AI-driven conversations is the biggest advantage you can have. It lets you focus on growth, not the technical headaches. The link is in the description with all the details. Hey, listen, there's no pressure, but if you see the opportunity I'm talking about, this is the fastest way to seize it. Thanks for watching. If this video opened your eyes to the future of marketing, please do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps the other entrepreneurs see what's coming. And subscribe for more content on how to navigate the future of AI in business. I'm in the trenches testing this stuff day in and day out, and I like to share what works. I'll see you in the next one.